Welcome to Lesson 3. Your website design is the foundation on which your web presence will be built. It will affect the identity of the website, the user's experience, and the strength of the message. The web design is more than just the visual style. It consists of all the small details that add up to provide a strong website and a good user experience. Content is the most important aspect of any site. So let's design for the content and not let the design dictate the content. Maintaining a sense of consistency is one of the most important design characteristics. The design, color scheme, and details of your website should remain consistent throughout the entire site. Navigation bars or menus should remain present wherever a user goes. Effects and design details, large or small, should function the same way on every page. Be sure to maintain spacing or padding elements by keeping the distances the same. This contributes to the overall style of the website. Although creative web pages are encouraged, you will want a clean and uncluttered site, which is the golden rule in web design. So what are the basics of a web page? We will want to have a header, the content, maybe a sidebar, and a footer. So let's talk about semantic tags in HTML5. HTML5 has introduced a number of tags that help in understanding the structure of your page. Article helps in defining the independent pieces of information. Section is generally used as a generic document, something that should have a heading. It is not supposed to be used as a container. Nav. This can be used as the site's navigation. Header can contain introductory text. You can even include the navigation here. Footer should provide some author and copyright information about your site. For now, you can use your name and the year. As you practice and write web pages, you'll become familiar with more and more tags. Now it's time for us to choose our IDE. For this course, we will use NetBeans. NetBeans requires Java to be installed. The best way to do this is to use the combined Java and NetBeans installer. You can use this URL to download them. This way, it is just one file to download and install. There are many other web page authoring and HTML editors out there. Adobe Dreamweaver is the most popular. Microsoft had Expression Web. It has since been discontinued and is being replaced by Visual Studio. There are also many other softwares that can be used for graphics and multimedia. So let's begin. So we'll continue our project from last time, the video games website. So we'll have NetBeans open, and then we're going to go to File and New Project. We'll choose HTML5 from the project category, and since we already have files from last time, we'll do HTML5 application with existing sources. We'll click Next. It's going to ask for the site root. This is where all your files are located. So we're going to browse for that and open. And the project name defaults to the directory where you have the files in. We're going to change that to HTML class. And just leave project directory the same, and we'll hit finish. And now we see our new project in the projects window. It automatically opens index.html. And from here, we can start doing our modifications. So we will now add a header to the page. And there we'll add some navigation with a nav tag. And let's see. We had some navigation last time which was not categorized, so we'll move that up under navigation. And now we want to use the main tag to indicate the main content of our website. Let's see, move that up here. And inside main, we'll add an article tag, talk about some information, and at the end we'll add a footer, and we'll use copy and the year 2015, And I'll give the name of this class HTML class. We'll hit save, and so we would like to see how it looks so far. So up here, click this one, and where it says browser, click Embedded WebKit Browser, and press this one. It looks like the play button. It'll say Run Project HTML Class. So press that one. And right below, we'll see. We see our website so far. So let's move this down a little bit. And so as we make changes here, like if I change this one to PlayStation and hit save, it automatically changes down here in the embedded browser. So now we're starting to give our website some structure. So we have the body, we have the header, this is our navigation. Now let's add some links. So we'll change this one into a link. And with NetBeans, the IDE helps you choose files and complete tags. Whoops, I forgot the quotation. Remember to add the quotation. Hit save, and now we can see down here it became a hyperlink. You can actually click it. There's nothing there because this page is actually empty right now. So let's see what else. We'll hyperlink all these in the navigation. Let's see. There we go. Oh, our Xbox page has something. We'll just minimize this here. We just want to see the web page we're creating. So that's our Xbox page. It has some navigation. It has some content already. And so let's see what we have. We created our header, which includes navigation. And we have our main tag, which should include some additional information. We have an article. It's empty right now. So let's add some information here into the article. So what could be a good topic? CES is around the corner, and it will display a lot of games. So we can even add multiple articles. Okay, another article to talk about are arcade games on the way out. And one of the nice things about using NetBeans, we can go over here under Source and click Format, and now it has formatted our HTML to look a little bit neater. This helps in readability. So we have upgraded this page to have some navigation, a header, the main tag so that we know where the main content is, and we've added 2 articles. If we press Run Now, we see how it looks right here, and that's the basics of a web page.